What is going on, guys? It is me back in the video, and this time I'm here. As you see, this is a little bit from earlier on. Well, it might not be earlier on for the video because the video's still getting uploaded. Because I've got to go through, I got to edit it up and stuff. But once you see that video, just know that this is what happened. You'll see what firework I did earlier. From earlier, as you can tell. You'll be able to tell by the lighting and the sight and stuff, but this time I'm going to throw puppets at them. Yeah, let me get this bag open. And yeah, wow. I just lost 2 of them. Dang it, I can't get them. So if you pop these in your hand, just know I've done it before and it hurts like hell. Ready? 1, 2. Ah, missed. Ready? Oh, come on. Yes! I hit it. There it is. I hit it right there. Haha. Oh, come on. You know what? Ready? Haha. There it is. You ready? You ready for more? Oh, come on. You know what? I don't know if that hit or not, but hopefully it did. Alright, I'm gonna try 2 at a time. Ready? There's one that didn't go. I know it. I can hear it. Oh well. That one didn't work. Alright, let's try these 3. 1, 2. Oh! That left a mark. This is what you guys voted on. Remember that. Ah, they didn't land. That one did. I can tell it landed right there. You know what? That one did. Alright, let's try this way. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, come on. There he is. Now. That one's dead. Let's try these 4. Ow! You know what? Let's see. Let's see. That failed. That one I got. No, please don't have a card here. Oh, I thought that one was dead. That was crap. Alright, ready? This is actually really fun. Lit it. There it is. Alright. Oh, wait. I think that's one more. Nope. Oh, shit. I can't wait. Oh, wow. I ripped the paper when I did one. I might be doing... Oh, wait. There's one more. Oh, wait. There's 2 more. Sucker. Alright. I believe I got them all now. Nope. I missed one. Yeah. That's what you guys wanted. You wanted me to light it up, and I did. I did. So yeah. There's that. That's it for this video. Oh yeah, I need to get a thumbnail real quick. I got a thumbnail for the video. And I'm out.